Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what comes in the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, it's been a while since I've unboxed one of these. This is the March box, and I already forget who the influencer is or the brand that is in this box. I just know it's a makeup box and that it's a brand that's either new to the market or someone I've never heard of. Now, this subscription, the reason I haven't been unboxing it is I had paid for a year's worth or 6 months, I forget. I think it was a year's worth back when it was only every other month. Then they moved it to monthly. So I burned through that subscription. I had canceled 1 month, but back then they didn't have a way to pause. Long story short is they were manually sending me the box, and my subscription that I prepaid, it like ended. But I was gonna like not get a box when it's like a hair care box or if they do a repeat brand skincare. So the timing of when that kind of ran out was in my favor. And then I was just watching every month on the 1st. Is this something I want? And there was like a month or two where I was like, nope, nope. And this box was the first since that whole kind of cancellation happened that intrigued me enough for me to subscribe again. This box has gone up in price. It's $38, but there is like a $1 insurance fee or shipping fee. Don't quote me on that. But so basically it's a $39 a month box, which is pretty pricey, particularly if you compare it to like a Boxy Premium, but it is what it is. All right, so here's the card. On the back, you will see all the products with prices. I don't want spoilers, don't want to look too much at the card. It's from a brand called Couture, which I am not familiar with. I am very curious if you've actually heard of this brand and if I'm just out of it or if this is also new to you. All right, let's start in with the first product, which is this one here. This is the translucent powder in the shade medium. It retails for $20. I don't use powder, and if I did use powder, I would not use a medium powder. It just has the typical, is there plastic over it? I don't know, doesn't seem to be a safety seal, or maybe it's peeking through. I was able to get a little sample. I don't know if anything will show up. Actually, consider it's medium. I think someone with my skin tone could wear it. But leave me a comment if you have tried that before. Maybe I should start trying to powder. I just have such dry skin. All right, next product. Ooh, really pretty packaging. Pink with flowers. What is this? All right, so this is the liquid blusher in the shade Sugar Pink. Now we're talking. All right, what does that retail for? Also $20. So far the two products are very reasonable, or more expensive than drugstore, but not super high end. Ooh, not only was the box really beautiful, but look at the actual product itself, the packaging. Floral, pink, divine. All right, it does not come safety sealed. Let's do a little swatch. All right, a little, I'm assuming it's going to go a long way. Where is it? Right there. All right, can you even see that? Can I even see that? It's very soft, very subtle. My lights are super bright. Hopefully in editing it shows up more than when I'm staring at the viewfinder. But it is very soft, very natural pink. All right, the next product, same type of packaging, beautiful pink floral. This here is a lipstick, and it's in the shade, shut the front door, Nude. I thought it was gonna be pink, which I would have been happy with. I bet there's a lot of people gonna be not happy with a nude. OMG, look at that, how beautiful. Okay, that is not what I would call nude, but I'm happy with it. All right, let's do a swatch. This is what I'd call like a dusty rose. Very pink and dusty rose. Leave me a comment. Would you call that nude? I think of nudes as softer, lighter than that, and a little more like a neutral, I don't want to say tan, but little subtle brown. But let's throw it on my face and see what she looks like. Doesn't have a scent. I don't know why I smelled a bullet lipstick, but I did. Hold on. I have lots of lip gloss. And normally I would just shove it over that, but let's be fair to the lipstick. It's very comfortable. Kind of slidey. It almost feels like when you use like a lip balm, that type of slidiness. It's a pink. This is not what I would call nude at all, but I like the shade. Just, it's not a nude. All right, what does that retail for? Okay, it's on trend, $20. All right, next item. Ooh, again, floral. This is more kind of bronzy and not pink. What are those? Daisies? I'm not capable of naming flowers. I think that's a daisy. All right, so this here is the Face and Body Shimmer Spray. Oh, interesting. What kind of shimmer spray? Do I want to face and body? You know what? Let's be adventurous and see how shimmery it is. I'm wondering if it's the type of shimmer that you would like spray on your décolletage when you have a tan, or if it's just a nice soft, like if it would look good on your face. All right, let's start with seeing how good the mister is. Ooh, no. Aggressive and leaves big old blobs. Oh, I don't know if that's going to pick up on camera. There's a color to it. It looks kind of bronzy. There's a little bit of, I don't feel glitter, but I'm seeing glitter. You know what? I said I would. I'm going to regret this, but here we go. So aggressive. All right, I'm going to grab my sponge here and press it into my skin. Oh. No, 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 no. I don't know why they would say face and body. That is not the type of mister anyone should be using on their face. What does that retail for? Not $20, it's $16. Unless you like using a shimmer type of spray on your body, I would say pass. If you want to pick it up for your face, don't do it. All right, last product. Okay, yay. It is a palette. Assuming it's going to be a eyeshadow palette. It has some plastic wrap on the outside. All right, on par with the theme. Floral, and this here is the Golden Love eyeshadow palette. And let's take a look. Ooh, it's very on par with the outer packaging. Sometimes palettes, like they have a color on the packaging and you open up and you're like, wait, that's a different color story. All right, again, here's what the outer packaging looks like. And this is what the color story is about. Doesn't that match the packaging? Or at least to me it does. That is really pretty. It does come with a mirror. I am digging it. This is a Neutral Lovers Dream color palette. It's got different colors in it than any other palette I own, which I really appreciate. I like these kind of mauve-y colors, and there's warm and neutral and kind of cooler tone shades. You can get quite a few different looks. A little green, some yellows, oranges, and pinks. All right, I am loving the color story. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing me do an eye look using that palette. All right, how much does that retail for? Wow, okay, $29. That for eyeshadow, that seems very reasonable. All right, let's recap everything that came in the March 2023 AIA Beauty Bundle. We got a translucent powder in the shade medium, the liquid blusher in the shade Sugar Pink, a bullet lipstick in the shade Nude, a face and body shimmer spray, and the Golden Clove eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I don't know if this box is worth $39. Now, we definitely got over $100 value, but I guess I'm just comparing it to like an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm, and the mere fact I've never heard of this brand, I think I'm gonna have to pick and choose which boxes I want moving forward. Like if this was a takeover from Ofra for $39, heck yeah. Or Tarte or certain other brands. They did a MAC box once. That was worth it. I don't know, a brand you never heard of where the eyeshadow is $29, so that we're almost at the box value. The lipstick is okay, not the best shade that I prefer. I wish it truly was a nude, as I interpret when I see a shade called nude. I don't use powder. I do love and use and enjoy liquid blushes, so that, okay, so right there was this 20 and 29, 49, but I'm only $10 over the price of the box. Pass on this. That was the most aggressive spritzer I've ever put on my face. That was horrible. Is that everything? Only 5 products? Usually we get like 6. Hold on, let me look at the card. 1, 2, 3. No, that's it. 5 products. So, I'm used to when you pay for a box that you get like at least 4 times the value. So like a Ipsy or BoxyCharm is like $30, and the value of those boxes is like $150. This is a $39 box with 120-ish value. So, let me know. Do you agree with me? Am I being picky? Or is this like, yeah, that's not a good value? I'm actually going to list the total MSRP value. I will figure that out during editing and put all of the products and their pricing on screen. But let me know, what did you think of this box? I'm super curious if you've even heard of this brand. Also, let me know what you think of just a beauty bundle in general. Do you think it's a good box? Does it really depend on who's doing the takeover? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.